Subscribe! All your kids will create happy time.
Red like apples, juicy and sweet. Strawberries too, a yummy treat. Yellow bananas curve just right, and pineapples shine with golden light. Green are grapes and pears that crunch. Kiwis green with a fuzzy punch. Orange like mangoes round and bright. Oranges glow in morning light. Purple grapes grow on the vine. Plums are purple and taste so fine. Blue like blueberries, small and round. They hide in bushes close to the ground. Pink like dragon fruit, bright and bold. Spots and spikes are cool to hold. Fruits have colors, come and see. Let's eat the rainbow fruits with me.
Subscribe!